didn't hear you.
What you say, Drew?
Unfortunately, this happened to everybody.
You going to bed?
Yeah. I can turn all the water on in the house, like faucets, flush toilets, everything.
Upstairs, no, nothing. Just
Yeah,
in the
he just
basement
wants you
here.
to turn it on, right?
Yeah, you gotta run all the water.
I want you to turn on all the water because all the water you were running upstairs was blowing out here in the basement.
Okay.
Turd.
I
So we
don't
wanna
think you
flush
want
the
me to
pipe.
do this.
Yeah, okay.
So upstairs, and
Upstairs, just
everywhere.
Yeah.
all the faucets
Kitchen
on,
sink,
flush the
bathroom
toilets,
sink,
everything.
Okay.
bathroom tub, the whole thing.
Yeah, let's get this out of here.
All right, good job, fellas. Good job.